This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. Need space for a home office, schooling, or just to get away? This 4-bedroom ranch in Great Neck offers endless possibilities with its floor plan. Entertaining is a breeze with the open, updated kitchen flowing into the sunporch and backyard, complete with solar-heated salt pool and covered deck. Oversized 2-car garage. Easy access to the Shore Drive area and 264 Cox High School district. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.